Hi, it's Ashley Witt. I'm going to show you my modules that I created for this last unit. So we are currently in student view. I organized it to kind of introduction, the modules, some things they might need, and then the extra tools that are there available for them. So we're going to go ahead and click on Unit 1. And I chose the solar system, and so I have a couple content pages. I have a module here, and then again content pages. And I was kind of a little bit confused about where I was supposed to be putting all this. So I also took it and I put it into ordering planets by size. And so in here it has the different pages, the content pages that are there. I have pictures along with the location. And then more pictures. And then here a video, and then also a link that takes you to the NASA website on planets. And then I don't know why it's doing that, but here is the beginning of the video.
Our solar system.
And then if we go back to Unit 1, there was a video at the very beginning, so I'll show you that too.
Story bats.
So yes, that is it. Thank you, and please let me know if you have any questions or if I need to modify anything. Thanks.